Hi everybody, registered dietitian, nutritionist, Scherer here. To introduce the recipe, here we are outside of my backyard. I wanted to show you these beautiful autumn colors because it is an autumn recipe. It's going to be an elderberry pumpkin and nut butter. Oh my gosh, so quick and easy, so super delicious. We're gonna hop back inside to my kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. I'm here back in my kitchen, got my apron on, my hair pulled back, and I've washed my hands. Now to introduce the ingredients, we have our Life Shake here, elderberry flavor. Oh my goodness, it is so delicious. We have our canned pumpkin, no sugar added. We have our nut butter, any nut butter of your preference will do. And then we have a little bit of honey to add a touch of sweetness. Now the steps that you need to follow for this recipe. First, take your nut butter, microwave it up for just a minute to make it a little bit more warm and liquidy to meld with all the other ingredients. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna add 1/3 cup of pumpkin. So 1/3 cup of nut butter, 1/3 cup of pumpkin. You're gonna add a 1/2 tablespoon of honey. And then finally, 1 scoop and a half of your Life Shake. Okay, you're going to blend all these ingredients together in a food processor or a blender of your choice, whatever you have in the kitchen. It ends up being this super delicious, smooth texture here. I'm going to go do that myself, and I'm going to show you guys the finished product. Okay, everybody, here we have the finished product. As you can see, it is this super smooth, delicious texture. What I did after I blended it was just put into my jar here, my little container, and refrigerate it for about an hour. Helps it set. And you can feel free to enjoy it with your favorite cracker. I also really enjoy it on little slices of apple. It is such a quick and easy recipe, and oh my goodness, it is such a delicious way to add your elderberry Life Shake into your day. Thanks all for watching.